Lata ji, when you're dealing with such greatness, it's really scary. I think हर गाने पे कोई ना कोई डालता है एक hate comment.
So talk to me about the love that you have for this song.
It's haunting. Sonu ji is like, he's so sweet, but he's so talented and he's such a like bop performer.
Any classic that you have been wanting to recreate but haven't been able to?
Do you want the real answer?
Yes.
Because rights नहीं मिलते.
What are the challenges of being an independent artist?
Radio Nasha.
परी हूँ मैं.
Oh,
Pari
you
hai
got
ye.
that right. That's my show jingle actually.
Really?
Really.
Perfect.
Yeah, so hi Pari hu main, watching us on Radio Nasha, and this is the amazing Jonatha Gandhi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. Congratulations on Noori.
Thank
It's
you.
already been a favorite song, you know, and especially for us on Radio Nasha, we being a retro radio station, this is a song that people listen to over and
More.
over again, you know, and yeah, especially on the radio. You actually, on the video, you actually, in the caption you wrote, it's always nerve-wracking to create a classic. It still is?
Yeah, of course it is. Lata ji, when you're dealing with such greatness, it's really scary. So yeah, but I've also done it a lot now. So
Yeah.
I'm managing the nerves a little bit better.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was about to ask you, that has it gotten better? Because you've already done so many renditions. Is there any song जिसके लिए आपको थोड़ा flack मिला हो कि क्या किया जोनिता, क्यों
I
किया?
think हर गाने पे कोई ना कोई डालता है एक hate comment के oh, you ruined the song, you ruined. I'm sure इस गाने पे भी होगा, मैंने अभी check नहीं किया because luckily I'm too busy to be like checking comments. But होता है, पर कोई बात नहीं, किसी को पसंद आ जाता है, किसी को नहीं. But most people I think show me love.
Yeah. So
which is
talk
really
to me
sweet.
about the love that you have for this song. It's such a beautiful.
It's haunting.
melody.
But I love this song. This Aaja re. You can sing it without music and it's still so beautiful. The melody is so beautiful. You can't like go wrong.
Yeah. And how much love do you have for Lata ji?
Oh, how do I sum that up in a few words? Lata ji, I mean, I literally am speechless. I just wish I could have met her in my life. But she lives on. She's still my teacher, you know, while she was around and now that she's not. We all will infinitely learn from her, I think. Just listening to the way she sang, the way she delivers. Like Lag Ja Gale is an all-time favorite. अभी मैं shows में नहीं गाती ज़्यादा, but I try to still sing it whenever I can. Because that song is like an institution for me.
Yeah.
I used to open all of Sonu Ji's concerts with that song.
Yeah. Coming to that, you know, you took Sonu Nigam's name. I think that was the turning point for you, if I'm not wrong. You know,
Yeah.
performing with him on stage. And I remember in an interview, you had said that अगर सोनू निगम को लगता है कि मैं उस लायक हूँ कि मैं उनके साथ स्टेज पर खड़े होकर गा सकूँ, मतलब I have made it in life. How was that phase for you like?
It was so scary. Sonu Ji's like, he's so sweet, but he's so talented and he's such a like bop performer. On stage, it's like, my jaw was just dropping. The first time I saw him live, I literally was stunned. He's just too good. He does mimicry also. He's dancing also. He's singing this song, that song. His range also. He's singing this low, this high, pop style, like Hindustani. Everything he's doing, pitch perfect. So it's scary, but also such a crazy time for me to learn how to be and how I want to be. So from then till now, he's still there, I think. His voice is still there somewhere.
As an independent artist, obviously there's more freedom, right? Because you get to choose what you want to do. But what are the challenges of being an independent artist?
You're always worried कि कोई सुनेगा कि नहीं.
Yeah.
We put so much effort and so much time and like dil laga ke we like make all this music, and then when you know it's going in a film or something, you still feel like okay, there's promotions will happen.
Right.
If not for me, then for the actor, somebody will listen to it. This you feel a little naked. You feel a little vulnerable. So it's scary, but it's also that much more rewarding. Now, like if I'm at a concert and I'm singing Deva Deva, okay, and now there's like 7,000 people singing with me Deva Deva, it feels amazing. But now if I'm singing Wanna Love Like That or Ghar Nari, I'm singing that even if there's 7 people singing, those 7 feel like 7,000. It's so rewarding that somebody has listened to my song.
Yeah. Okay. Any classic that you have been wanting to recreate but haven't been able to?
Do you want the real answer?
Yes.
Because rights nahi milte. It's hard.
Yeah, that's very difficult.
It's
right?
difficult,
Yeah.
but no, like otherwise I could do a cover. There's a lot of songs that I love. This was on the list for sure. Aaja Re was on the list of songs I wanted to do my own rendition of. Another song I wanted to do a version of is why am I blanking? हो तेरे बाजू जी नहीं लगदा मैं ता मर गई ता आजा सोनिया. Like there's a few songs from that part of my life. This song is also from the same part of my life where I grew up like really attached to. So those songs I would love to incorporate somehow in my repertoire. It just gives me an excuse to sing it live.
Yeah. On that note, what is the kind of music that you grew up listening to? मतलब किस तरह का म्यूजिक, किस तरह के गाने चलते थे घर पर?
घर पर I think it was mostly Lata ji, Asha ji, Rafi Saab, like old Bollywood. Then it was a mix though. There's a lot of Punjabi like Surinder Kaur, a lot of, and then because of where I went to school, all like Beyonce and like Jay-Z and like a lot of R&B, a lot of like Aaliyah, and it was really diverse. I think it's really random. Then in vocal training, I was listening to art songs too, like Western classical, and it was a khichdi basically.
Okay, so I think I'll just end with you with a fun segment. I'm going to give you few words, okay, and आपको उस word से जो भी सबसे पहला गाना आ रहा है याद दिमाग में, आपको वो गाना है. You have to sing one line of that.
This game.
Already, we've not yet begun.
But I've played the same game. Okay, let's try.
Ready?
You
okay,
guys
this is
help
a
me,
game,
whoever's in
game
the
that's trending right now on social media also. Okay, so I'm going to give you a few words and let's see what song comes to your mind.
Okay.
Pehla word, Chand.
चांद छुपा बादल में. Should I have sung something else? See, I'm gonna get stressed now.
No, it's not. I mean, that's the first song that comes to my mind also. Okay, next, Pyar.
Wanna love like that, 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 that. Wanna love like that. It's my song, and it's about love. So.
Okay, Raat.
It's all the old songs are gonna be, but it's good. It's for your show. रात अकेली है, बुझ गए दिए, आके मेरे पास, कानों में मेरे, जो भी चाहे कहिए, जो भी चाहे कहिए.
What a beautiful song again.
Wow.
Okay, next. Now ये बहुत easy है. Pia.
पिया तो से नैना लागे रे. I should have sang घर नारी ना. मैं तो पिया से नैना लगाई रे. Wanna love like that.
But I think your Piya To Se rendition is so loved. It's actually so beautiful. I have danced on it so many times.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my
I've made
God.
dance covers on that
I've
cover.
seen like a lot of शादियों पे people do that song.
बहुत. It's so beautiful.
version.
Okay, last 3 words. Aaj.
आजा रे.
Nice.
आजा रे ओ मेरे दिलबर आजा.
Okay. Dunya.
दुनिया में लोगों को धोखा कभी हो जाता है. आंखों में यारों का दिल खो जाता है.
That's Asha Bhosle for you. Okay, and last word. Mohabbat.
मोहब्बतें लुटाऊंगा, मैं भूल कभी ना पाऊंगा. Shout out to Abhijit.
Wow. I think
Savant.
yeah.
I don't want to get the wrong Abhijit attention by mistake.
It's amazing how आज भी हमें यही गाने याद आते हैं.
I know.
है ना?
This is such a psychology game. I feel.
Yeah. Like when you play Antakshari, Merse, what do you sing?
मेरे ख्वाबों में जवां. What about you?
Oh, I sing Maiya Yashoda.
See, but everybody has. What about R? Rase.
Rase, ruk ruk ruk.
Oh,
Arre
damn.
baba.
That's actually popular, but also Ramaiya Vasta.
Ah, right. This is fun, but thank you so much for your
you.
time.
You too.
And it's a beautiful, beautiful song. अगर आपने नहीं सुना अभी तक तो please सुनो. This is Noori by Jonita Gandhi.
Radio Nasha.